Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am super excited because the November 2023 Icon Box was curated by Miss Pat Mcgrath. Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription, which is like $30 a month. You get 5 products, but 4 times a year if you choose to upgrade. For $60, you can get a special box curated by an influencer or a known celebrity brand owner, such as Miss Pat Mcgrath, and you get 8 full-size products. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in. Okay, yay, we got some foam protection. The other nice thing about Ipsy is you get to select 3 of your products. And for once, I remember what I selected because my box selections were spectacular. What they threw in my box I liked, and what was presented to me, well, one choice was a little iffy, but for the most part, I am thrilled with my box. Now, conspiracy theory, I believe this month's box was really good because if you aren't aware yet, starting in December, they're going to be upping the price of all of their subscriptions by $2. So if you want to lock in your price, now's the time to do an annual subscription. All right, it does come with a pamphlet, and on the front, in case you aren't aware of who Pat Mcgrath is, she's gorgeous. She is a British makeup artist. All right, let's grab the first item, which just so happens to be my add-on. All right, let's just get the add-on out of the way. All right, so this here is from PURLISSE. It's the Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. So I'm finding that now that I have to go into the office, what takes me the most time in the mornings is doing my skincare routine. So if I could combine moisturizer and sunscreen into one step, that will save me like 5 minutes. This was, I want to say, like $12, which is typically more than I spend on a add-on, even though it's a good deal. But I love products from PURLISSE, and hopefully this will be a good one. All right, first item that actually came in the box is not something they said I would be getting. I could tell right away. First of all, the box is white. Second of all, it's because there's 8,000 words on here. This is from AVANT. Wait, what? Okay, so this here is the Protective Mineral Acid Restoring and Anti-Pollution Toner. Wait, maybe I do remember a toner. I don't remember it being from AVANT. Let me grab my cell phone, because even though I told you I remembered, I don't remember a product from AVANT. Okay, I guess I did get something from AVANT. For some reason, I thought it was a toner from Tula Skincare. Maybe I'm thinking of last month's box. I don't know. All right, AVANT, I've done a whole video on using only AVANT products. They're very bougie. They're very pricey. They are located in the UK, which would make sense to me why Pat Mcgrath curated this product. I do like toners. It looks very watery, which most toners are, but some kind of come milky. I don't know. I'm rambling on too long about product number 1. How much does that retail for? Yeah. Can you guess? $92 for a toner. You get 200 ml. Wow. All right. I will always use a toner. So next product. What do we have here? This is the Colorete Concentrate. Okay, did I say I remembered everything? What is this? Amor de Melocotón. Wait, why do I always read the foreign print? Okay, this is from ALAMAR Cosmetics. Did I select this? I possibly selected this. What is it, though? Is it going to be a lip product? Okay, it comes in a squeezy tube. Cap does not. Oh, okay, yes. Okay, so you lift, don't twist. This here is a liquid blush. All right, memory is slow to enter my brain. This retails for $20, and I will be doing a try-on video In case you're wondering why I'm not wearing much makeup, it's because I knew I'd be unboxing this first and then filming the try-on. And if anyone was curious, I will share what my choices were, and then you can see why I selected that product. All right, next item, we have this product here, which is from PATCHOLOGY, and it's a box of 15 pairs of illuminating eye gels. This, I do remember, was the one selection where I wasn't thrilled with all of the choices, so I landed on eye gel patches, which I will use, but there wasn't, I don't recall any makeup product that I liked, and all of the other skincare was not up my alley. It is very tiny, or seems tiny, but I guess 15 patches is not too many. And it does come with one of those little spoon thingies, although I find I never really use that. I just dive in and snatch it up with my fingers. Wow, okay, so the 15 pairs of eye gel patches retails for $35, so happy to get in a box. Don't know that I would spend that kind of money myself. All right, next item. Super excited. I got a product from DANESSA MYRICKS. This here is the Dew Wet Balm, which is a highlighting face and body balm. It does come safety sealed with saran wrap or plastic wrap on the outside. I got it in the shade Rose Water. Let's take a look. Okay, so it is pink. I'm not exactly sure how you use this product. It says highlighter. Let's do a little swatch. Okay, it definitely feels like a balm, and it's kind of has a little pink tint to it, which kind of disappears. So I guess there's only one way to find out. I don't know if it's a product that you should put on first and then apply your foundation. I'm already wearing foundation. So in the try on video, I will attempt to put it on top of my foundation, and hopefully that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know. If not, I will do a separate try on. All right, next item. We have a product from Laura Mercier. This is the Caviar stick, and I have it in the shade Wild Rose. This is what the packaging looks like. And okay, interesting. It said Wild Rose. I was expecting it to be a little more pink. It looks a little bronzy, but let's do a swatch. It is a little bronzy with a pink undertone. We will see during the try-on if I want to use that, because the next product hopefully will steal the show. I was so excited to get this in my box. This here is from Pat McGrath, and it's the Divine Rose Luxe Quad. I told myself if I got this, no matter what else came in the box, I would be super excited and happy with my box. And I was blown away by everything else I got. First off, okay, this packaging has some heft to it. It is really nice, sturdy plastic. All right, so it does come with a mirror. Pet peeve of mine, it doesn't open all the way up, but when you look at the color story, I will forgive that. It is a beautiful, neutral, kind of pink, lovely shimmer shade right up my alley. Holy cow. This quad of 4 eyeshadow shades, even though it's from Pat McGrath, retails for $62, which blows my mind. I'm so excited I got it, and this one item paid for my entire box. All right, next item. What do we have here? Oh, I see the word Too Faced. This here is Sun Bunny, which is a radiant duotone bronzer. Okay, I don't remember this at all. Did I mention I remembered everything? No, I don't. This packaging is gorgeous. It has some heft to it. Like, I think it's plastic, but this is metal. And there's a little heart. How do you... Oh, okay, you just lift up on the heart. Okay, yay. Opens all the way up. And those are the shades. Those look beautiful. Holy cow. This bronzer retails for $36. All right. This last product is also from Pat McGrath. What are you? Okay, so this is the MatteTrance lipstick, which I have in the shade Christy. This is a lot fatter than a lipstick box, which is why, again, I didn't remember. Let's see if I am going to enjoy the shade Christy. Ooh. Okay, so this is metal, and this is standard for Pat McGrath. Let's see. Does it have a... no magnetic closure, but the little heart thing gets it to snap on, so it's not going to fall off in your purse. All right, it is right up my alley. It's kind of like a dusty rose. Let me do a quick little swatch. All right, yes, it is a dusty rose. It's a little darker than I normally wear, but it will be fine, and it's better than getting something orange or deep red. All right, let me recap everything I got in the November 2023 Icon Box. I received the AVANT Skincare Anti-Pollution Toner, the PATCHOLOGY Illuminating Eye Gels, the ALAMAR Cosmetics Liquid Blush in Amor de Melocotón, the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Wild Rose, the Too Faced Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer, the DANESSA MYRICKS Dew Wet Balm in Rose Water, the Pat McGrath Labs MatteTrance Lipstick in Christy, and the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Rose Luxe Quad in Eternal Eden. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow, what a great box. I got enough makeup to do a full face. Well, granted, there wasn't concealer or foundation, but I got a bronzer, a highlighter, an eyeshadow palette, an eyeshadow stick, a lipstick, and a blush, which is amazing. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I did some math, and if my math was done correctly, I think the value is $338, which for a $60 box is fantastic. Again, this one eyeshadow quad was $62, so that in and of itself paid for the box. But I'm curious to know what you thought of the box. Did you upgrade to the Icon Box this month? And if so, did you enjoy your box as much as I did? If you're curious about any of these products, I will be filming a try-on video, so hopefully you will be able to watch that video. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.